I'm Andrew. Today we're going to put a battery box in the 180.
Today.
Placing the battery box.
Charles, what are we going to do?
I placed the battery box because it cracked.
Yeah. So for drifting, scrutineering, it needs to have a good battery box. Well, they won't let us race, so. All right, let's get to it.
Yeah.
All right, we got to undo the battery so we can take the battery to get it out of the box. So, yep, they're called wing nuts. You know why they're called wing nuts?
Why?
Because they've got wings on them. And they're made so you don't need to use tools to undo them. So, yep. So undo the wing nuts. And then we got to do the side ones too, so we can get the battery out. Battery box out. Put the new battery box in.
Yeah.
All right, time to put the battery back in.
Now we have to put the power leads on.
All right, show us the battery. There we go. So the box is in,
Yeah.
clamps on.
No crack anymore.
No more crack. All right, and then where's the power leads? All right, that's the negative one. And then where's the other one? The red one, that's the power. That's the positive.
Yeah.
All right.
Battery box done.
Give us a look.
No cracks.
Nice. Ready for racing?
Yeah.
Ready for racing, Ev?
Yeah.
Yeah, you gonna win?